Welcome back to the workshop. Tonight's project is repairing an IKEA daybed. I picked up this IKEA HEMNES daybed on Marketplace for about $1/4 of retail price, but it does need some repairs. One of these corners here is a little busted out. It's fiberboard. So we're going to try something to see if we can glue it back together. One of the tests that I did last night was using packaging tape on one block and putting Gorilla Glue on the other and letting those dry together to see if it's split apart. So I'm going to use that same method to glue that corner, that blown out chunk back together. The block that I'll use to squeeze the pieces back in after we glue it is going to be covered in the packaging tape, and we'll let that dry overnight, and hopefully that will hold it back together. This piece is the back piece for the pull-out daybed, so it's not going to be visible. It's going to be hidden, so I don't necessarily care what it looks like, but I just need to be a little bit stronger than that. All right, so let me get you in a little closer. All right, unfortunately it's got on this label here, so let's get this label off. All right, yeah, it's a fiberboard, low density fiberboard, low density particle board. Just remember how those pieces went back together, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to knock off some of these fibers to see if we can squeeze those back together. Yeah, I think that'll squeeze together enough. Once we glue it. This will be our block. That'll fit. Now we just need to add some tape to it. Going to be using Gorilla Glue today to join those pieces together. The nice thing about Gorilla Glue is that it expands whenever it's wet. So you put down some water, apply Gorilla Glue to the opposite side, and then as it cures, that expands and fills in any of the voids. It gives it a really nice strong bond for things that are porous. Things that are smooth, like this tape, does not adhere to so well. So it should go in, it should hold pretty nice. Knives. And do this. Let's put the top pieces over there. And it's a paper towel. That a little wet. Hopefully not too wet. That up there, and then we do the other one. Tape side down. Making sure we line this up fairly well. clamp that for tonight, and we will take a look at that in the morning. Gorilla Glue does recommend 24 hours, so maybe tomorrow night. Well, back after, it's been more than a day, so I don't know, 36 hours or so. I didn't get to it yesterday. So let's take these clamps off see how this gluing went. Fortunately, the pieces were still there that we were able to glue back in. Off the clamps. And, all right, so it's a little stuck. All right. That looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Some of the glue did squeeze out, which is to be expected since it's an expanding type of glue. The hole is a little filled in. We'll have to redraw that. Figure out where I lost the drill bits. Go smaller. All right, it was just a thin film. It wasn't totally packed. All right, I was pretty happy with that. Now, I think it's about ready to get that back together. I'm gonna put that together in the room. So I move the camera up there. Maybe we'll do a time lapse, watching me struggle to put together this IKEA furniture, or hopefully not struggle. What I found is two more of these posts have been torn out, and so the wood is raised up a little bit, not real flat, so it's separated, this particle board or the fiber board. So I'm going to try something else, try something a little bit different. I'm going to drop in a couple of drops of just super glue, put the post in, and then clamp it down with a wood block, and that should set fairly quickly. And since it's not all the way blown out and all the way ripped out, let's see how that works. Just dropping a couple of drops down inside there. Don't want to overfill it, but just want to kind of saturate the cracks. Wind that in, and then block with a whole glue rolled out of it. And I'll get one down. And clamp down this other side as well. See how that works in a few minutes. Hello! It has been a couple of weeks since making the repair on this IKEA bed, and so I'm just checking to see how well that's holding up. That looks excellent. I'm going to wrap up this project as being done. I'm happy on how that repair has lasted. Our daughter's really happy with this bed, and we paid a fraction of the price for this bed as what it is new, just having to do some repairs. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you would like to see more videos of projects that I'm doing around the house, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please enter those in the comments section below. Thanks, and have a great day.